Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be, I don't know, episode 4, I think, of the build. So I figured out how to get these off. I can't remember if I put this in the last video. I had to stop and pause for a little bit. So let's jump back into it. So these just pull out. And if you look, there is a little indentation right there that when it slides into this plastic piece, it locks in there. There must be a little piece in there that holds it. So we're gonna do that. I got a little piece of tape on here holding this metal piece on, so I know which way it goes. Oops, sorry about that. That shouldn't have been there. There's a here are the arms. You got a left one and you got a right one. I threw all the screws. I threw everything together when I did it, so these screws came with it. I'm not sure what those go to yet. Yeah, let's put this back on here. Let's get this on here. Okay. So let's take this off. So we can put this back on like that. And then this goes in between. And then one of these goes in front, okay? Oops. Just got to get all the holes lined up. Too many little, too many little holes there. Pop it in there. Okay, there you go. You do the same side with the other side. That you pull me through. I give it up to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. So let's open up these other two packages. We'll put that there for now to see what those go to. I'm not sure what those even go to, guys. But these are all the knuckles. So RC hop-ups, guys. You guys can get this stuff at JJ Customs. He does free shipping with this product anywhere in the United States. Free shipping. He does ship worldwide. It will be a shipping cost for that though, if you want it shipped. I'm pretty sure they go like that, right? I think. Okay. Okay. So actually no, I think it was right. I think I had it this way and this way. And it goes on. Yeah, are these the same? And let's try to see if we got the right way or the wrong way or what. To know you want the RC hop-ups up. So it would be this way and this way, okay? So I am going to take this top screw off. And I'm pretty sure you got to reuse these ones because they're going to be, yeah, see how these ones are too? You can see it's smooth down at the end. So when you screw it in, it'll spin. So you definitely want to reuse these screws for sure. Okay. So this piece should pop off of here. I don't know, what did I do? These are all the same. All 4 of these screws are the same. So let's just take them all off of there. So, okay, there's that. Okay. Let's take that off. Take that off. So let's find this one. So I'm thinking that's it right there. Let's put this one to the side. Let's go. Let's leave that together. Right. So that's going to go in like that. And I'm just going to put these in for now so I make sure they're going in the right spot, and then we'll come back and Loctite them. Definitely want to Loctite these guys. Oops. Getting on camera there. No, I thought I had that in there. Okay. Let's get one in there tight, so. Okay. Okay. Looks identical. Okay. We're doing good. We are doing good. Let's use this bag for a little Loctite. And let's put one on the top and this one. I guess I should have put that on here, huh? Be careful when you guys put the Loctite on, like I said on the other video. You do the Loctite on these. If you get it on the piston, the smooth part, it is going to go in the hole, and then once it dries up, it's going to gum that hole up. So you kind of don't want to put any on there if you can, because then it's just going to gum everything up and it's not going to turn smoothly. All right. Okay. All right, there's that. So that's let's see. Did I do this wrong? That's how we get it. Okay. I should have put this in first, huh? Let's see how we can do that. I'm gonna have to take that apart. Just put these back in the way they came out. Instead, I'm making sure the name's sitting up right, so that way you can read it. This one goes here. You just have to kind of snug them, guys, because once the Loctite heals up, you're not going to have to worry about it. Let's pull this one out. Pull this one off. We don't need that part no more. This one has a screw in the back. I wonder how that works. Let me see. Can you see this? No. Tight. Looks like there's some sort of... So, let's see if this just needs to come off here. Let me see. Okay. These are metal. These are actually metal, so when you screw it back in, I'd put a little bit of blue Loctite on there. I'm gonna clean all the screws off, so you see there was a little bit of oil still left on them. They weren't very tight. And then here's the bearings. So we need to pop the bearings out. Just pop them out from behind, if you can. So, all right. nice and tight on these ones. Okay. And hopefully, I'll skim this one down through here since I put it together wrong. There, that one went in there. As you see that right in there, that one slid right in. So, we take this back in this way. You can see where that one is. Push down this bearing a little bit. And we'll grab our little screw. Blue Loctite, and this one we should be able to go right through there. I'm hoping to be able to get a nice straight shot here. I don't think we're going to get a straight shot there, guys. One more Loctite. Put this one back in the hole here. I'm going to use the wrench to get it a little snug, just to suck in the bearings. And back it off just a hair. Back it off just a hair bit more. Okay. Let's put this one back on. Learn our lesson from that, guys. That's how you learn your lessons, doing this stuff.
I try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it up to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you up to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do?
Alright, I think that went in the hole there. So let's, yeah, okay. Alright. So let me get this one in here with a little Loctite. this one back out. Okay, there you go, guys. That's how it's done. Look at that. Looks awesome. The RC hop-ups here on the back. RC hop-ups all over the place. There's some nice stuff, guys. Nice stuff. So then I'm gonna put this back on so I don't forget where all this goes. And this one goes here. Okay. All right. Hope that's right. Yeah. And then this one went here. That was dead up stock. I'm just gonna put it there for now. Okay. So let's put that there, and we will bring this one back here. Now we know how to do it a little better. We're going to pop this one off. Oops. Let me bring that back. All right, so we're gonna pop this one off and this one off here, and we're gonna pull these four screws off. This one, this one, this one, and this one. All four of those are the same screws. Okay, I'll show you the screw. See how it's smooth on one side and not on the other? That's the way so it spins easier.
Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it up to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. I try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it up to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it up to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you up to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
Back on.